As you see in Island Fam, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Your girl Nels here, and it is Tuesday. And the last I left y'all, we were redoing our laundry room. So we struggle city to get the toilet out of the laundry room, or what is now going to be the laundry room. And y'all, that was a struggle. Yesterday, not yesterday, day before yesterday, we did some work. I did record it, but it wasn't enough to make a whole vlog. Like, the footage wasn't enough to make a whole vlog. So I did record us filling in the cracks and all these things for the laundry room, like with cement and then moving the pipe from one area to the other area, which I will show you all. And then now today we are going to do painting and other stuff. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, because the girl got some paint. She got some paint, and y'all, this laundry room makeover is turning out to be real under budget, almost free, because I got the materials to build the shelves. I got paint for free yesterday, and other things I just need to buy like stuff for the flooring and decorative pieces, and that's it. Like, I thought I was gonna spend more, but I'm spending less, and spending less is always great, right? So let me get into today's vlog. Today is going to be a combination of day 2 and day 3 of our laundry room makeover. Okay, so catch y'all in the next. We are going to put a hole in the wall, because we need a hole in the wall, because we need to fill a pipe in like this. We're not moving it, obviously. We're making a new one. We can't move the pipe.
Yeah, we can.
We can move the pipe, whatever. So we're making just how this have this hole here for the water to go out. We have to put one over there and put a pipe in it, so that the water from the washer, you know, this whole thing, could go out into the drainage. So that's what he's gonna do. So yeah. It smells like PVC glue in here. Okay, so as you can see, the pipe moved from there. This had the like pipe in with the tap on top that we would get water from the washing machine from, and then this was the hole where the pipe was to let water go out. That's outside. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Yeah, that's outside. And now over here, the pipe is attached, as you all can see. You have to make sure it's not leaking this time, huh? And then we've put the pipe through the hole so it can go into the drain. And now it's time to just seal the holes. And then we're going to seal the cracks. You can't really see the cracks good. You can see it up here, but down here you can't see it. But there are cracks that need to be filled. So that's what's happening now. Y'all, I'm trying to find peel and stick tile to make a wall here, but I can't. That's the first wall they make. Yeah, I'm put none around this one. Good.
Okay, this is bag yam. You think na?
Oh, okay. So you didn't have to make it bigger.
No, I got it.
Okay. Filling up the hole. Just put cement over it because we don't want a big hole in the wall. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Well, not we. I recorded. So that's that. Yeah, breaking it up. We're putting the cement on it. Cement's watery.
Because I put much water. I don't want to put more things into it.
You didn't think you should have put some more cement? I find it looking like it has plenty of sand in it.
No, that is the color reason. Like why?
It's song and sandy.
It's song and sandy.
Yeah.
You fine?
And it smells like sand, not cement.
Damn holding it up here.
So why do you put some cement there first?
Because I want to waste it.
Okay.
And because that when I do the thing hollow itself too.
Oh, the brick, right?
Thank you.
We're filling up the space. Well, he filling up the space. I'm just watching. Trying to get a good angle. So we are filling up cracks on this side. We already fill up the cracks on the other side. So just inside now, as y'all can see, there, it's being filled up. We still remove all this junk here yet because I don't want to. I mean, I have to, but I don't want to. But I'm gonna do it because I have to. What? One side of what?
One side at a time.
I seen a hole right there.
Wait.
Right there. Right where it was smoothing out just now.
Wait.
Right there. High up, up. No, right over what it was now smoothing out.
Here?
No, just now. Okay, so it would have fixed when it floating out, but then it would have been hollow.
No, that would be thing.
Anyway, so y'all, just filling up the holes and the cracks. As I said, the other side is already done. This right here is filled, as y'all can see. I don't know if I showed you all this earlier on.
Nope.
And then, so this side is filled. I showed you all when he was filling it, but I didn't show you it completed. And then in the corner there, all the way up the wall, but the light is facing the other direction, so y'all won't be able to see it properly. So yeah, this is the side. It's already done. Cement.
I'm finished.
You finished?
Yeah, I was looking right here.
Okay. So we're just measuring to make sure we cut the wood properly, and just had to like pung in the other side a little bit to make sure it fastened. It there? I swear the way how you're holding this is looking like it's not level. Y'all, it level. It's just the wall kind of wonky, so it looks like it's not level. But it level. A level?
Okay.
So you see, it is level. It's just the wall wonky, so it making it look like it's not level. But yeah, so y'all, I want to paint the wall so bad, but we don't have paint right now, so I can't paint the walls, and we need to do laundry tomorrow, so I have to put the washing machine back in its space in order to get laundry done. So at least the piping and everything there, so we'll just have to take back out the washing machine to do the floors and the wall, cause yeah, so that'll be a totally different day. So now we're just gonna put up some shelves. We're not fastening the shelves to the wall completely, even though I could like do that because the wall and the shelves gonna be painted the same color. But yeah, so we're just gonna do that, and yeah, I don't know, let's see how it goes, because I don't want it fastened. So you're just gonna put the thing to brace the shelves, and then we'll have the shelves there, but I don't think I'll put it up just yet. Moist. Moist. Moist, moist. I know you can drill the hole, but that side of the wall has so much holes. They show which one it is.
Yeah.
Right there. Oh, okay. Okay, so you can drill the hole now. Oh, okay, cool. So, yeah. Well, as you misplace your tools, what kind of workman is misplacing your tools? Huh?
Sure.
Misplacing your tools? Huh? Alrighty. So people, the thingy, the brace for the wall is up, and the reason why I don't mind putting it up is because it's going to get painted anyway, because we're going to paint the same color as the wall. So I don't mind putting it up just yet, but we're not putting any shelves. I just put this one lat to see how it would look. So this is it here, and then I'm going to put another one up there. So yeah, and a washing machine here, and yeah, just yeah. Olha, how do I do it? The space small, but it's gonna look real good. It's gonna look really good. Like this is it, a little further back. So yeah. So anyway, yeah. So I think that's it for today, because yeah. So right now we are adjusting the shelves on the wall, because this shelf perfectly fine, right? But the bottom shelf, a human being put it lopsided, so the measurements was off. So this side was like low down, and then this side was like high up by at least 2 inches. It was too high up, so now we have to adjust it and fix it. So Yeah, as you can see, this is where it was first, and then he bring it down here. You're the one that measured, not me. Don't blame me. You see how he blaming me and bottom, but I give him a wrong measurement. But he was the one that measure, per line, use level, all kind of thing. Well, you use level at least for this. You see in this, so we had to break. Look how far this is the line, and look how far down it has to be. That's to show you how off it was. How off. How off. So as y'all can see, the wall is getting painted. We are painting. Well, not me. He. The human is painting, but I'm outside sanding down the shelves. So I know we are doing my part. I just didn't want to paint because I just take real long to paint and I just waste paint. If what I didn't know, I tell them all it's true. I just waste paint. So the walls are getting painted. To paint my pipe, and he done paint my pipe. Lord have mercy. Ole, he done paint the pipe. How? How? But y'all, look at that! So yes, walls getting painted. I'm sanding down the shelves, and the kids are cleaning this ratty area. That's happening over here, and then obviously the pipes and stuff gonna have to come out from here for us to measure to make shelves on this side, but this is getting cleaned. Walls are getting painted, and as I said, I'm sanding down the shelves. Yeah, so okay. Look at my child using power tools. He helping me sand the shelves, yo. He done helping me sand the shelves. Wow. The things that we actually want to remove and the things that's supposed to stay. Huh? So we're knocking off the partition between this area and this area to make it a little more level. I don't need to be tripping over a hump when I want to go in here and get my storage stuff and stuff. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing. Well, not me again. Most of this wasn't me. 99% of this was not me, basically. See, just a little bit. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Huh? Look at the dust, Ollie, look at dust. Yay. It's coming out. It's coming out. Okay, Island Fam, so I am wearing my bonnet simply because I didn't want to get paint on my hair because I was painting the shelves. Y'all can see them back there. See? Right here, right here, right here. I was painting the shelves. And I'm not done with that. One side is painted and I have to paint the other side. So I'll probably finish that in the morning. But as y'all can see, we filled in the cracks. We took down the partition. We painted the walls. So now, what is that? Oh, it is a reflection of something. Okay, yeah, so now it is just to, you know, do the flooring, put up the shelves, put back the washing machine, and decorate the whole space, which that will obviously come in another vlog. So I am ending the vlog here, guys, because we did a lot and we have moved on to another project, as y'all can see. So thanks, guys, for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so by clicking that big red word that says subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. The dog barking at somebody. Share this video with all your friends. Like it if you like me, if you like us, if you like my shenanigans, come back here every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for another vlog. Comment down below any questions, concerns, comments, anything else you want to see next on my channel. Don't forget that self-love is important. Take care of your mental health. And don't forget to smile. And I will see you guys next time on the island. Bye-bye.